So my name is Florian Damien. I'm the operations manager for ERA EMEA, and I've been with ERA since 2016. One of the most rewarding things about working at ERA is the ability to work for a large international organization with a global footprint, but yet be part of a close-knit support team based here in our office in the UK and with our colleague in the US and Australia. So it really is the best of both worlds. One of the exciting things about the future is the continued expansion of ERA geographically, continuing to grow the network, reaching new markets. I'm also excited about the potential that technology will be able to bring us. We are constantly trying to incorporate new technology into our business, whether it's the ability to better service clients, to better highlight some key business data within our system and share that with the network. I think there's a lot of potential yet to come with this. For me, it might sound a bit cliche, but I'm not sure there is such thing as a typical day. A lot of what I do can be reactive because we are primarily a support center, and we have to bear that in mind all the time. If a franchisee approach me for a specific need, I would like to think that this becomes quite a priority at that time. In order to ensure that our franchisee operates with the highest possible level of quality in the delivery, from my side, obviously I'm addressing with franchisee after they've attended our foundational training. We have a common set of operating manuals, so that's the standard base on which from which we start. After that, it's about monitoring the network, monitoring the activities, monitoring the project delivery, and we can do that through both quantitative tools. We have a set of tools that allow us to monitor the business with following certain metrics. That's important. It's important to be able to measure it and to know how to look at it. But also from a more qualitative point of view, we have a clear structure with our support team, obviously our country manager locally, and the network. Collaboration in ERA is a key element of our business model, and it's a key recipe for success. Collaboration is obviously part of most of our project delivery, where franchisees collaborate with each other. However, franchisee can also collaborate on many other aspects, for example, within client acquisition or client management. And part of my role is quite often to have that discussion with certain franchisees, quite often those that joined recently, to make them aware of the possibilities. When it comes to providing improvements and new initiative, we have a great relationship with our franchisee advisory councils. We meet with them on a regular basis. These are experienced franchisee, and it's a real added value for us to use as a sounding board to know that what we're working on, what we are thinking of putting forward as an initiative will actually have the right impact and be well received. The cultural differences across the different countries we operate is obviously something that we need to take into account, but in the end I think our franchisee all share this common vision, which is the objective of having client satisfaction, and that always takes priority. And when it comes to client satisfaction, the possible cultural differences become secondary.